What is your attitude when you are going through a storm? Challenges will come, situations will come, storms are going to come in life. It's something similar with the Israelites. God makes a promise to the children of Israel. He makes a promise to take them to the other side. He makes a promise to take them to a land where everything is provided. God wants to take you to a life where there is sustainability, where there is maintenance of everything that you are in need of. But now the question should be, what is your attitude as you are moving along with God? Along the way, you are going to face the challenges. You are going to face the hurdles. You are going to face negativity. But what is your attitude as you are genuine to the promise of God? Your attitude towards the negativity, your attitude towards the hurdles, towards the challenges, is going to determine whether should you be the right candidate to embrace the promise of God. Should you not forget the promise that God has made to your life because of what you are going through, because of the challenge, because of the pain, because of the hurt that you are feeling right now. I hope that with this message, you are strengthened. But lastly, I must say, should you not give up on the promise that God has made in your life for you to attain? It's going to change your life. It's going to change the entire generation in your family. It's going to be something that it's worth receiving. Stay blessed.